Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you all the shapes in Adobe Photoshop. So what is the work of these shapes? Let's see. First I will come in toolbox and what I do, I will just simply click on it, and as I click, definitely as you can see that right now it is showing me all the shapes. The first is rectangle. So what basic rectangle is, in order to get the rectangle, what I do, I will just simply click on it, and as you can see that now my cursor has been changed. In order to get this rectangle, what I do, I will just simply click and drag. Getting me? As I click and drag, definitely it will give me a rectangle. Getting me? So this is the work of rectangle, means that whenever we want rectangle, definitely first we have to come in definitely this option, and here what do we have? We have rectangle. Then what do we have next? We have rounded rectangle. So what basically rounded rectangle is, I will just simply click on it, and now I will just simply click and drag. As you can see that right now I'm not getting normal rectangle, I'm getting rounded rectangle. Getting me? So definitely is round. Getting me? So this is the work of rounded rectangle. Definitely with the help of this we can get the rounded rectangle. And then what do we have next? We have ellipse. So what is the work of ellipse? In easy word we call it circle. For example, if you want a circle, so what you need to do, you need to just simply come here and just simply click on ellipse and just simply click on drag. As you can see that right now I have ellipse. Getting me? Means circle. And then what do we have next? We have polygon. So I will just simply click and drag. As you can see that right now it is giving polygon. And the last, what do we have? We have line. Let's suppose if you want a line, just simply click and drag and it will give you a line. Getting me? So definitely these are the symbols of definitely Adobe Photoshop. But let's suppose if you want more, so what you need to do, you need to just simply click on custom shape tool, and as I click, definitely as you can see that right now I have option. So I will just simply click, and I will come in pixels or different pixels, and as I do pixels, definitely we will learn that what basically these options are. But definitely just for now, just think that is pixel. Okay, first you need to come in pixels, and as I click pixel, as you can see that right now I have shape option. Right now it is showing essentials in this workspace because I have changed the size of this workspace for you. But definitely if you will open Photoshop in your computer, definitely you will be able to see shape option properly. Getting me? So what you need to do, you need to just simply click on it. As you can see that right now it is showing me all the shapes. Getting me? As you can see that right now I have fire, butterfly, we can sun, moon. Getting me? I have all the nature. But let's suppose if you want more, so what you need to do, you need to just simply click on this gear, and here we have all the options. Means what do you want? Do you want animals symbols? Do you want arrow symbols? Do you want artistic? Do you want shapes? Do you want titles? Do you want web? What? Let's suppose if I want all, so what I do, I'll just simply click on all, and I will simply click OK. And now at this time, as you can see, as just simply click and drag, as you can see that right now I have all the options. For example, if I want this option, this shape, so in order to get this shape, what I need to do, I need to just simply click, and I just simply click and drag. As you can see that right now I have this. Getting me? So let's suppose if you want any shape, so what you need to do, you need to first go in custom shape tool, and make sure that you are in pixels, and then if you go in shape, so definitely you will get all the shapes. Getting me? So this is the work of custom shape tool. Getting me? Now stem see what is the work of these options. Getting me? As I click, as you can see that right now it is giving me a drop down. The first is shape, second is path, and third is pixel. What is the work of shape? So what I do, I will just simply click on shape, and as I click on shape, so I will get the shape. For example, if I get any shape, so if I get any shape, so definitely here I can change the fill color and the outline color. For example, as you can see that right now this fill color, definitely this is a fill color. In order to change this fill color, what I do, I will just simply click on it, and here I have the options for this, definitely for this fill color. Let's suppose if I want this yellow, I will just simply click. As you can see that right now I have this color. Getting me? Let's suppose if I want to change the outline color, I can also change the outline color. Let's say I say red, and as you can see that this definitely this object has red outline. Getting me? If I want to change the width of this outline, I can also change. Let's suppose, as you can see that now I'm getting width. So let's suppose if I want to get the width, I can also get the width. Let's suppose if I want to change the width style, I can also change the width style. What I did, I just simply came here and I just simply click on it, and as you can see that right now, as I click, as you can see that right now I have all these options. Getting me? So definitely this is what I did. Then definitely here we have the option for width and height. Let's suppose if you want to change the width of your object, you can also change. If you want to change the height of your object, you can also change. Getting me? So definitely this is the options of these are the options of definite shape. Then what do we have next? So we have path. So what basically path is? Path is nothing. Path is nothing, but definitely it is very useful. It is very useful when you want to create something. Definitely, I mean, what kind thing you want to create? For example, if you talk about Illustrator, so why Illustrator different from Photoshop? Because it deals with path. So you are still confused. Say, sir, you are just talking, you are just giving, you keep giving the definition, but you are not still telling that what is the work of path. Hold down, definitely have a patience. So when I say path, so path means that for example, if you take any picture, for example, if you take your own selfie, getting me? So if you zoom in too much, or if you zoom out too much, so definitely you get your picture pixelated, getting me? But if we take the help of path, so definitely, let's suppose if we zoom in too much, or if we zoom out too much, so nothing affects our you can say object. For example, I will come in path, and what I do, I will just simply click, and as I click, as you can see that right now in path, definitely if I go in window, and if I say path panel, so definitely in the path I have this path, getting work path. So definitely I have this path, and let's suppose if I change the color, if I make this definitely path is an object, definitely. So definitely if I will zoom in too much, or if I zoom in too out, definitely nothing will affect to this path, getting me? So this is the work of path. Here we also have the options. Definitely here we have path. Definitely we can also do something with path. The first is selection. Let's suppose if you want to make this selection, for example, this path is a selection. So how can you do? You need to just simply click on selection and click on OK, and as you can see that right now I don't have path, now I have selection, getting me? Or same thing I can do with definitely if I go in rectangle marquee tool, and if I just simply click and drag, as you can see that right now I have this selection, getting me? So let's suppose if I path, and if I want to make path selection, so definitely with the help of this I can do, getting me? Then what do we next? So we have mask. Definitely we will learn in detail that what basically mask is. Definitely when we will learn definitely when we go in layers, and definitely here we have options of mask, layer mask, vector mask, clip mask. Definitely we will learn there, getting me? If I will teach you now, so definitely you will be confused, getting me? So definitely I don't want to confuse you, that's why I'm not going to teach you now, getting me? Then what do we have next? We have shape. As you can see that if I come in shape, definitely here we have shape. Let's suppose if you want to make a shape, definitely you can also make a shape. Definitely this path, if I click on shape, definitely it will become a shape, getting me? As you can see that now it has become a shape, getting me? Then last, what do we have? We have pixels. Definitely pixels means that if I zoom in or if I zoom out, definitely it will be affected. And if I take the pixels, and if I come in toolbox, and if I take any shape, or definitely rectangle should be nice, and as you can see that right now I have this rectangle, getting me? And if I change the color, I can also change the color here as well, getting me? And if I change the color, if I say, let's say this color, okay, and as I click on pixels, definitely I get this shape, and definitely it takes definitely this color, getting me? Here we have the options. The first is opacity. Let's suppose if you want to change the visibility of this object, you can also do. Let's suppose if I select this object, and again if I go, so if I say the opacity, definitely I can also change the opacity of this you can say object. Opacity means the visibility, getting me? In easy word we can say visibility. And here we have all the options. For example, if you say color mode, for example, normal, dissolve, harmony, so definitely this is the work of color mode, getting me? Definitely we will learn in detail that what basically color modes are, definitely when we will learn in layers. Basically here we also have the options of definitely blending modes here as well, getting me? So in layers we have options, getting me? So definitely we will learn in detail that what basically modes are, getting me? So this was a lecture on definitely shapes. I hope you've understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.